Thank you for joining this lesson. We are going to handle a question from the subject of formula and variations, whereby we are taught to make t the subject of the formula or the subject in the formula. So we can see s is equal to rt, then divided by the square root of r squared minus t. So the square root is only on the denominator. We can do away with square root sign by squaring all the components in this formula, such that s becomes squared equals to r squared t squared. But now when we square the part which had a square root sign, the square root sign just disappears. So we have r squared minus t. Then we cross multiply now, so that we have s squared r squared minus s squared t equals to, we have multiplied these ones with s squared, equals to r squared t squared. We are making t the subject, so we start with the term that is having t. So we have r squared t squared, then minus s squared t. Now on this side it becomes s squared t positive, then this one now becomes minus s squared r squared, and we have a 0 here. So at this stage now we shall apply the quadratic formula, whereby we say the value of t should be given by plus or minus b, then plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac out of 2a. Therefore we apply this formula in our equation here, so that we have the value of t being given by, the value of t should be given by negative b. So b is the coefficient of t at this point, so this becomes negative s squared, the negative of s squared, then plus or minus the square root of b squared. So this part now, s power 2, now we square, so it will become s power 4. Then we subtract 4ac. So 4 times a is r squared, and c is the whole of this portion. And remember, it is minus 4ac, and there is already another negative s squared. So the negative cancels, and we'll have 4. A is r squared. A will be r squared. Then c will be s squared r squared. So r squared here and the other r squared here will multiply, and r will be power 4. Then s squared divided by 2 multiplied by a. So 2 times r squared. So that is how we make t the subject of the given formula. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.